Discover a reliable way to handle everyday printing tasks with clarity and speed. The best HP printer delivers dependable performance, sharp results, and user-friendly features that fit home or office needs. Choose smart convenience and consistent quality with every print. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. HP Color 3301 SDW Printer. The HP Color 3301 SDW printer is an excellent choice for small teams that rely on sharp, professional quality color printing every day. With print speeds reaching up to 26 pages per minute in both black and color, it keeps productivity high and workflows smooth. The inclusion of next-generation TeraJet toner technology helps produce richer, more vivid colors, giving business documents and reports a polished, high-impact finish. This model also supports essential office functions such as scanning, copying, automatic two-sided printing, and includes a 250-sheet tray that reduces the need for constant paper refills. Users can expect award-winning reliability and consistent page-to-page performance, which is ideal for busy work environments where downtime can slow progress. The printer is designed to operate exclusively with HP-chipped cartridges for security and performance, and firmware updates help maintain this integrity. Overall, the HP Color 3301 SDW offers speed, clarity, and long-term dependability for teams who need crisp color results and efficient document handling. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E Printer. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E printer is a smart option for home offices that require reliable color printing for business documents, presentations, and flyers. With speeds of up to 20 ppm in black and 10 ppm in color, it strikes a strong balance between performance and efficiency. What sets this model apart is its HP AI-powered formatting capability, which cleans up web pages and emails before printing, so that only the necessary content appears on paper. This not only saves ink, but also eliminates awkward or wasted pages. The printer supports double-sided printing, scanning, copying, and includes a 225-sheet input tray for longer, uninterrupted print sessions. Users who activate HP Plus also receive 3 months of instant ink, ensuring ink arrives before it runs out. Combined with HP Wolf Essential Security for safeguarding sensitive information, the OfficeJet Pro 8125E provides a dependable and user-friendly experience for daily office needs. Number 3. HP Envy Inspire 7255E Printer. The HP Envy Inspire 7255E printer is a versatile home printing solution built for families and creative users who need both high-quality documents and vibrant photo prints. It delivers print speeds of up to 15 ppm in black and 10 ppm in color, making everyday tasks efficient without sacrificing clarity. Powered by HP AI, this model produces perfectly formatted prints from web pages and emails, saving time and reducing waste. It includes automatic two-sided printing, a scanner, and a dedicated photo tray, making it ideal for crafting, projects, and school assignments. Wireless setup is quick and hassle-free, while self-healing Wi-Fi helps maintain a strong connection. The HP app further enhances creativity with features that allow users to print unique formats such as 5x5 square photos and 4x12 panoramic images. With strong everyday performance and impressive photo output, this printer fits perfectly into homes that value convenience and creativity. Number 4. HP LaserJet Pro 3101 SDW Printer. The HP LaserJet Pro 3101 SDW printer is a dependable, monochrome solution tailored for small teams needing crisp, professional documents at high speed. It delivers up to 35 pages per minute, making it well-suited for busy environments where efficiency is essential. This model supports printing, scanning, and copying, along with automatic two-sided printing to help reduce paper use. Its 250-sheet input tray and 50-sheet automatic document feeder streamline daily tasks by minimizing manual handling. Print quality remains consistently sharp, ensuring reports, contracts, and business correspondence maintain a polished look. Like many HP business models, it is engineered to work with HP chipped toner cartridges for secure and consistent performance. With its combination of speed, reliability, and simplicity, the LaserJet Pro 3101 is a strong choice for offices that need a fast and trustworthy black and white printer. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 8139E Printer. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8139E printer is designed for home offices that need professional quality color printing paired with modern convenience. Capable of printing up to 20 ppm in black and 10 ppm in color, it handles business documents, presentations, and marketing materials with ease. HP AI enhances the printing experience by cleaning up web pages and emails so they print neatly without clutter or wasted pages. Beyond printing, this model includes scanning, copying, fax capability, auto two-sided printing, and a 225-sheet input tray for longer productivity cycles. This printer is a strong choice for those who want sharp color output, efficient document handling, and the added convenience of smart features and secure connectivity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.